Daffy, wake up. Oh, sorry, Woody. I'm fine. I didn't hear anything. All I heard was you screaming like a total idiot. Hey. Hey, guys, what's going? Wait, Daffy. I'm going outside and walk. A walk? Nice. Let me in. Yeah. Where the hell have we been? We haven't had any episodes recently. We haven't had any episodes recently, thanks to that stupid darn coronavirus. I know, right? Yeah. That really sucks. Say, if I were you guys, I would rather do anything fun that isn't staying at home. Staying at home is boring. Haha, I would sure love to join you guys. Say, what's going on? Goofy, get out of here. We're trying to have an episode. But Red, I just wanted to say hi to you and how are you guys going? No. I'm not going to say this again. No, come on. Leave us alone. Huh. Like I was saying, we're going outside the house. We're not staying in here. Now, come on, you guys. Let's go. Let's go on a walk. We're going to meet some new friends. Guys? Well, I'm going. Meet you there. Come on, Bugs. Let's go. Wow, Red. What do you think? Should we join them? See, why not? Come on, guys. Let's go. Ow! My leg. Later. And now, folk, you are going to see an elephant turned into magic. Watch this. What wish do you want? I want to have powers. Your wish has been granted. You have powers now. Powers are like powers to laser beam. Ah! Oh! Ow! What is wrong with you? Wow, he really is. Say, if I were him, I would do that too. Bugs, this is boring. You know what's going on here. Alright, Bob. Here's my plan. We're gonna sneak in there, we're gonna ruin it. You got that? Yeah? Come on, no time to waste. Whoop! What are you doing here? We're here to ruin your show. That's what we're here for. Yeah, we want to ruin all your fun. Well, we'll see about that. Come on, Creeper Man, you do it. Hey! You can't do that to my elephant. Oh, shut up. We can do whatever we want. Ow! Oh no. Bob-omb? Right here. Hey, bye boy. Go back, goodbye. Run! Oh dear. Oh dear. Wait. What are you doing here? You can't do anything about us. Yes, we can. We just ruined the fun for everyone. Come on, guys, let's go. Look, you scared everyone away, thanks to you. Yeah, you can't do anything. I'll give you this. Oh no. What's happening? Achoo! Achoo! Daffy, are you okay? I'm good. Achoo! Oh no. Achoo! I think I got a sneezing problem. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. What do we do, Red? Here, let me handle this. Achoo! Oh, that's disgusting. What have you happened to you? I got the sneezing. Come on, Bugsman. Let's take him to the doctor. He needs some serious support. Come on, guys. Let's go. You can't carry it all at once. Hang on a second.
12 seconds later.
Well, if you know why we're here, then it's because... Oh, Roundbugs Bunny. It's nice to see you again. What are you here for? Well, we're here because... Oh, let me guess. Daffy has a sneezing problem. Yes, anytime I sneeze, it goes... Achoo! I need help. Don't worry, Daff. As soon as this will be over, you'll get back to normal. Yeah, he's been sneezing a lot recently. Well, yeah. He's wearing a face mask, I think. It's better if he wore a face mask, because he wouldn't be sneezing in the first place. Yeah, just imagine that. No, it's because of face masks, you idiot. Oh, okay. Yeah. If you know how to cure him, then we'll come back later. It was Creeper and Bob-omb who did this to him. He gave him the sneezing cold, and now he's stuck with it. Don't worry, Woody. I'll take good care of him. You guys go home. I'll let you know when he's feeling better. Good. Why don't we go home and watch some Disney Plus in the meantime, while Daffy will feel better? That's a great idea, Red. Let's go back to our room. Yeah. Again. Alright, let's see. What's on Disney Plus? Let's see, guys. Anything good we can watch? How about we watch my movie? Your movie? Okay, let me see if I can find it. What is good that's on? I'm trying to find here. We can watch Cards UFM. How about that? Sure, I mean, why not? But what about Daffy? He needs to be with a doctor. Come on, just leave Daffy alone. He will be back soon, except right now he's at the doctor. He's not feeling very well. I think I know who did this. Who? Those thieves. Oh, they're still gonna pay for that. I'm gonna give them a beating later. Whoa, that's harsh. Anyways, let's watch Disney Plus. Come on, Red. Yeah. Later on. Man. No wonder we're hiding here for some stupid reason. Is that right, Creeper Dude? Yeah. Plus, here's my plan. Now that Red and Bugs Bunny and the gang are gone to help Daffy at the doctor's, we're gonna sneak into their room, and we're gonna go on their computer, and we're gonna see what we can do. I like that idea. But how are we gonna do that? They're in the room right now. Of course they're in the room, but just stick to the plan. If this plan fails, then it's your fault. If you screw this up, then we're both screwed. Okay? But please, don't tell me all this crap you got here. All your ideas. But boss, no. Don't give me excuses. Give me some results of how we can get into the room. Alright, here's my plan. Step 1, we do a fake disguise. Step 2, we climb up. We wear these things that go on the wall. And finally, step 3, we'll be in their room. Booyah. That's a good idea, but it kind of feels kind of rushed. Come on, let's go. We're wasting time here. You said it, man. Ugh. Hey, if it wasn't those guys for ruining Genie's magic show, we're gonna have to see it next year. Papa? We made it. Alright. This is the bed. Wake up. Wake up, you idiot. I'm awake. Oh, yeah. How are we gonna get up there? Well, that's the big penguin dude that can help us. I know I'm not here to help you. I'm here to do my own stuff. Let me handle this. What are you gonna do to me? Something stupid? I'll show you. I can't feel my face anymore. You did it. Alright, let's jump on him. We are on the bed. Oh, that hurts. Mission accomplished. We've arrived on the bed. Huh. Now Red Bugs Bunny can't. Now Red Bugs Bunny and his stupid gang can't stop us now. Yeah. Let's go on the computer. Maybe we can watch something together. Sure, why not? I'll love to watch a movie with you together. Until they're coming back. Later on with Red and the gang. Here, Daffy. Drink this potion. It's worked. It worked. Yes. No more sneezing. Whoa. Yeah. Ugh. Daffy, you want a bit hyper. I'm better now. I have no more sneezing. Yahoo. Woo. Whoa. Come on, guys. Let's go home. Yeah, good idea. Hey, why don't we watch some Disney Plus? Why don't we watch some Simpsons? That's a good idea, Shrek. Let's go. We can't do this all at once. Ugh. Give us a second. This is so relaxing on this pillow. Just me and you together. What could possibly go wrong? Uh-oh. Well, you two have a lot of explaining to do. How did you get on here while we were gone? How have you all caused this? What are you even doing here? Uh-oh. Time to teach you two a lesson. What? You're right, guys. Stay here. I'll deal with these two. Ah! No, no, no. Why, you little... Before I would get revenge on you, I would. I'm gonna choke on you. I'll make you choke. Please. Oh, you are so dead. No, what are you doing to us? Let us go. Please, we don't deserve anything like this. Bah. Good riddance. I'll teach him a lesson. Oh, man. I don't think I can get up now. What? I am alive. Bomb, wake up. I'm awake. How are we gonna get back up the stairs? It feels kind of lonely here. Hello? Anyone? Help. Well, guys, now that those two troublemakers are gone, why don't we watch The Simpsons on Disney Plus? Sure, Brad. What are we watching? What else are we watching? An old episode? Because why not? The old episodes are a classic, dude. Hang on. Oh, Shrek, get off me! Ugh. It's a nice catch. I don't mean to be rude, but don't sit on me. Thank you. Alright. Simpsons it is. Now, let's watch. Yeah, we're in. This is gonna be great. That's what we're watching today? It's the episode we're watching today. So let's get ready. Woo, yeah. This is the great hide spot, right? Just shut up and hide.